Hey guys, welcome back to RSCARPREMIUM. So we have got an MG ASTOR to get it camera upgraded. So on base model, what happens is you get a display but you don't get a back camera. So what we have done here is we have added with a back camera, which will be going to be a plug and play. It will be a completely socket to socket connection without no wire cutting. Let's go and see the process how it is done. Now let's put reverse and check how it is going to work. If you guys wanted to get a car upgraded with cameras, please reach out to RSCARPREMIUM.